MC Grinder.
Bang, Liverpool blow to the jaw. Bang, Liverpool blow to the jaw. Bang, Liverpool blow to the jaw. Leaving every MC down on the floor. Bang, Liverpool blow to the jaw. Bang, Liverpool blow to the jaw.
Hello, it's your boy Starova from Uzbekistan. Today, having review new aircraft is not build. Isn't it building A300, which I very happy to receive as product review on my computer, as it has Uzbekistan airline air livery. However, big complaint I have does not say airline Uzbekistan on anywhere at all. Only have livery back. Understand, in Uzbekistan they have many money. They put aircraft with lots of paint saying word Uzbekistan. Here it say United Kingdom, not correct. Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan. Yes? Okay. Big complaints not say word Uzbekistan. Apart from that, I don't know. I have never flown plane air, but Boeing, Airbus have enjoy penis stick here. Fly with penis stick, not with steering wheel. This is Boeing, so obviously they make a big mistake. They put Boeing steering wheel in Airbus. I know. Oh fuck, how did I turn that off? Shut up. Okay, I did that on purpose. We make nav accuracy upgraded, which is good because I understand Airbus have shit. Airbus navigation, they get lost all the time. Always I telling Airbus to take me home, Tashkent, Uzbekistan. It take me fucking Israel. It take me America. It take me United States Kingdom. Not Uzbekistan, Tashkent, Uzbekistan. I have coronavirus. Okay. Alright. So autopilot off, like so, and fucking hell. Shut up. Engine's very slow. They should put on it big V8 engine. Shit. Petrol, diesel, V8. This have only 2-cylinder, 2 engine, not V8. Like Uzbekistan made Lada have V8. Why we take off at 100 miles an hour? This is not realistic. I think this is a bit of a shit add-on. It take off very quickly, 100 miles an hour. Understand? You have to go many. Have to go many miles per hour, kilometer to get takeoff in the real Boeing Airbus A320. I cannot look forwards. This is big problem. Hello? Okay. Sounds like there is small dog. Whoa. Okay. Here you can see pretty beautiful hometown Uzbekistan. Here we have famous concrete field. It's only in Uzbekistan they have whole field of concrete, so you can not have stuff like grass and other things grow. And they're annoying to have to cut. Not when you have fields of concrete, this is not a problem. Okay. This is good because sometimes I put my foot on rudder. Shut up. Why do we have fault? I ignored it. It is Western propaganda. So, yeah. Okay. I don't know why my alarm is going off. I have woken up already. I don't need alarm. Obviously, start over from Uzbekistan. I wake up 5:30 in the morning so I can go to work in Uzbekistan. But I don't. I'm awake, Blin. You don't need to tell me to wake up. I'm awake. Where's the airport? Starova has lost the airport. So Starova has lost. Starova has found. Starova from Uzbekistan has found the airport. Man, this plane has lots of turbulence. I think whoever built it was enjoying many roller coaster as a child. Fucking hell. It was turned on the engine cruise control. We cannot land going 420 beats per hour. This is going to be very, very, very smooth landing from Starova from Uzbekistan. Put flap, put landing, put gear down. Okay, avoid the buildings. This is not 911. Aye, smooth touchdown. Obviously, very smooth. My Wi-Fi is too fast for making uploading, so has to catch up a little bit. Freeze. As you can see, touchdown at 2 feet per minute here. Look, 2 feet per minute, very smooth. The best landing ever made in Tashkent, Uzbekistan, Korozov Islam Airport, runway 08 right. As you can see, we have slowed down already. Maybe this is why we are not moving. We have come to stop, and we can let off many Uzbekistani passengers to go to their house and to Uzbekistan and enjoy a nice time, January day in Uzbekistan. You see, good landing, very good. Ah yes, good landing, very good in Uzbekistan. I think we are making Tokyo Drift, Fast and Furious. My favorite film when I was a kid. I love Fast and Furious. Describes my approach to making landing fast and furious, but very smooth. Oh no, someone has been smoking on this flight. This is no smoking flight. I need to go into the cabin and kick somebody's ass for smoking in my plane. Look at the damage he has done with his cigarettes. He has making my plane look very much like he is from Nigeria. You get? Okay. I think pretty good to review this plane. I think it would be good if they could realize that Airbus does not have steering wheel like this. I think if they realize this is fake news, this is not how Airbus is working, then I think maybe they can be very successful so also I think they need to work on this livery, as it does not say Uzbekistan here. Would be better. And they need to take United Kingdom off the plane. This is obviously some kind of propaganda. I think main problem, this livery not say Uzbekistan, say United Kingdom. Oh yeah, blin. And I think if they put Uzbekistan and they put Uzbekistan flag and they take here, they write UZBEKISTANAIRLINES. This would be very good plane. And obviously, no smoking on plane. I give it 8 out of 10. Thank you for watching, and always remember to praise God and to praise Uzbekistan. Thank you.